Couple of days ago, I saw these beautiful creepers made out of pistha shells. I thought to make one for myself. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Crafty Beans. First, take pistha shells and a jute rope. Now attach the shells using glue gun onto the rope. Continue the same process until you reach the end of the rope. Hold the shells for few seconds for them to stick properly. I made two more creepers using the same method. They are looking beautiful as it is, but I thought of painting on it. Here I am using Fevicryl's green color acrylic paint. It took me a lot of time to paint on these pistha shells, but you are seeing it in 2x. After completing one side, I am also painting on the other side of the pistha shells. These creepers are easy to make and even cost effective, and also looks very beautiful. After drying, this is how the creepers look. You can style them in many ways. That's it for today's video. For more such videos, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.